All right, Bruce. So I've had clients and have had clients in the past that found a house. Location was chef's kiss, right?
Perfect.
Okay. Bones were great. Inside,
Not so much.
scare, right? They don't have a lot of cash. They have the cash for the down payment, but they wanted to do some renovations, And sometimes if you're doing floors, walls, bathrooms, kitchens, I mean, you're looking at tens of thousands of dollars.
Could be.
Do you have a product that would work for clients that are trying to do like a renovation?
Absolutely. We've got a renovation product that we can do for conventional FHA and VA. Depends on the extent of the renovations.
Uh-huh.
So, and in general, you can do a renovation loan to do minor rehab, kitchens, flooring, plumbing, or I have loans that we can literally add additions onto the house. You could put a pool in. You could put an accessory dwelling unit in.
A
You
mother-in-law
could
suite?
you could put a mother-in-law suite in. It just depends on the type of financing. So conventional loans are a little bit more flexible about
Mhm.
ADUs and things of that nature. FHA, a little bit more particular. It's got to be connected to the house. It can't be just a fake breezeway. It's got to be literally connected. But
Mhm.
on a renovation loan, any type of those products will work. And what's happening now, Chris, is folks are finding it difficult to find that perfect house. But if you found one in the neighborhood you liked and the footprint was good, the bones were pretty good, but I need a brand new kitchen. I need all new wiring. I want new plumbing. I'm going to put all new appliances in it. No problem whatsoever. We can do it soup to nuts, purchase or refinance.
Ooh, a refinance too?
And a refinance.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing. So, what are there some pitfalls that people can fall into and taking that route, or some things that you should avoid?
Well, renovation loans are slightly different than your typical purchase transaction or refinance transaction because they do require somebody to do the work. We do not allow for self-help. You cannot
Ah,
do it on your own. You have to have a contractor. Otherwise, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac do not buy
can
those
insure it.
loans. No longer is there self-help.
Gotcha.
So now if you want to buy the home and not do a renovation loan, and I get you an equity line to do your own renovation,
There you
we
go. You
can
could
look
do
at
that.
that too. But today is about renovation loans. And for a renovation loan, purchase, refinance, you can do all kinds of things. And it's a great way to get the house you want and make it the way you want it.
That's right. That's what I like here.